Hey guys, boom! For the first time, Country Delight is giving free cash. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगला? As you see here, we have ordered free milk on Country Delight with free cash. You can also avail this free cash, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, you have free veggies on Country Delight. We got onion for free. You can avail offers, steal deals, and you have 50% off on veggies. You can check it out. Let me tell you, these free veggies are without VIP membership and free cash as well. As you see here, this is sulfurless sugar. We got it for 9 rupees. You can check out this crystal sugar. It's sweet or more sweet than regular sugar, as it is 100% cane based processing. Now you can check out buy one get one offers on Country Delight. This is rava idli batter. You have lot more, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. This is rava idli batter with all natural ingredients going into it and being stone ground. As you see here, you have to just add some salt and water if necessary, and put dosa also, if not idli. It takes only a couple of minutes and you can have instant dosa. This is rava dosa, right? You have your chili powder and ghee going into it. It tastes super good. Okay, now let's check out free cash and free veggies. As you see here, you can go to Country Delight app. You can click on schedule delivery. Here you can see buy one get one free offers. You can scroll down and have this flash deals and steal deals. If you're interested, you can go for free veggies as well. You can add to cart. Here we have got onions. The other day you may get some other veggies as free. You can add them to cart, and 9 rupee deals are also available. You have veggies and fruits at 50% off. You can check out that section. You can get back and click on instant delivery to avail free cash. Here you can see a banner of free cash. You can click on that banner. Here have got 79 rupees free cash. You can order or add to cart the products from this banner. You have all the stores available here. You have snacks, you have add-on, you have veggies, fruits, and lot more. And milk also is available. If you want, you can order free milk with free cash. Just add them to cart as shown on the picture. And let me tell you, there's no need of VIP membership required to avail free cash or free veggies. You can use it for free, but the minimum order value should be 99 rupees for free delivery. Okay, finish off adding all the products to the cart and go to cart. As you see here, 79 rupees free cash is availed. You can check with the bill amount as shown here. You can scroll down and see free delivery, free cash is availed on bill amount, and you can confirm this order by clicking on confirm order. Once you click on confirm order, you can place your order by going for recharge offers. You have 300 cashback on recharge, so do check it out and place your order. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out. Okay, let me remind you one point here. You do avail this offer as delivery charges are gone up to 18% GST with Nirmala Sitaram's budget. So do check out soon.